Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, teacher.
Can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Great. I kind of fixed the camera um, last night, so you can see me better. Yesterday it was like an extreme close-up. Okay, we're going to wait for just a few minutes for the others to join us. Okay, we have a chat here. It says, good evening from Fidel Alejandro. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, Brandon.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, Mari, good evening. We're gonna
Good
give,
evening, teacher.
hi, Luis, good evening. We'll give just a couple of minutes more before we start. I see that we only have about 12 of you. Maybe it's because of the rain. How was your day today?
Mine, it was good, teacher.
Great. That's good to know.
Yes, no complaints.
Great, great. Anyone else? How was your day today?
Good evening, mister. My day was uh, a little busy, but good.
Okay, okay. We'll give just a couple of minutes more before we start. Is it raining where you guys are located right now? Is it raining?
In here, yes, it is.
Okay. Yes, at the moment in my house, it's raining too.
I think that is in the whole country.
Yes, I think so too. Who was not here yesterday from the people that we have today? Who was not here or who was not present in yesterday's session? Everybody was here. Okay. Well, it seems that everybody from yesterday's session is here. I think that not everybody has logged in. We're missing, let me see. Right now we have 15. We're missing like over 10. Okay, did you guys have a chance to complete the exercises from yesterday's session? The exercises from the platform, did you finish them?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Good,
Yes.
that's
Yes.
excellent, that's good to know. Did anybody have a question about the exercises? Maybe about vocabulary or maybe about pronunciation of something? Or everything is good?
From my end, it is good, teacher. I don't have any question.
Great, great. Now remember, it is,
Everything is good to me.
that's good to know, Avenue. That's good to know. Now remember, it's very important that every time that you go into the platform, there's a button at the very end of the page that you have to click in order for you to um, have the exercises recorded. Okay, so it's very important that you click on complete and continue. So that way it will keep a record of all the exercises that you have been doing. Okay, it's important that you click on that button there. Otherwise, if you don't click on that, it's not going to be recorded on the platform. Clarissa, did you have your hand up?
Yes, teacher. How do you say at the runabout? It,
Uh, the pronunciation.
um, yes.
Okay, the pronunciation is roundabout. Roundabout. In that
And
place, there's no traffic lights, so the cars continue going around and around and around. That's why it's called roundabout, because it goes round and round.
thank you.
Okay. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start. For those that have not joined us, they can join us later in the hour, but also the recording will be set up for you guys, hopefully tonight, if not, early tomorrow morning. Okay, so today we're going to be working on giving directions and imperatives. Okay, let me share my screen with you so we can get started. And let me know if you are able to see it.
Yes.
Good. Okay, so our next session for today is Basic 3. We're continuing with Basic 3, Unit 1. This is the grammar section, and it's giving directions and imperatives. That's what we're going to be working with today. So to start, we're going to go ahead and learn a couple of key words. Keywords are going to help us create directions, understand directions, and also help us give different types of directions. Okay, So we're going to start with the one that is on the left of your screen over on this side. Okay, this one is go straight. Okay, go straight means to go straight ahead. Okay, not turn or go back. No, it's straight. Go straight. Go forward. Okay. If you're able to turn on your mic, you can go ahead and do that so you can say the word also. You can say the phrase. Go straight.
Go straight.
Huh?
Go straight.
Yes.
Go straight.
Go straight.
There's a T at the end. So you say straight. Straight.
Great.
Go straight.
Straight.
Yes. Go straight.
Straight.
Go straight.
Yes. Good. The next one is turn right. Okay. Turn right.
Right.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Right.
Turn right.
All right. Turn
Alright.
right. The next one is turn left.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Left.
On left.
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 Turn left. The next one is U-turn. U-turn.
You turn.
U turn.
Uh-huh. The next one is go past.
Go past.
Go past.
Go past.
Go past. Correct. Okay. The next one. Okay, go past. When it says go past, it usually is that you have something on the side and you have to pass it. You don't stop there. You have to pass it. Okay, that's when you say go past. If you notice here in the arrow, it says to continue. Don't stop there. It's to continue. That's why it says go past. Okay. The next one is cross.
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 Cross. Okay, if you notice, there's a street and you have to cross it. Okay, cross. Go from one side to the next. Cross it. Okay, cross. The next one is across from.
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 If you notice the star here, it is across the house. So it's from one side on the other, that is across from.
On the house.
Next to.
Next to.
Next to.
Next to.
Next to.
Next to.
Uh-huh. On the corner.
On the corner.
On the corner. On the corner.
Uh-huh.
On the
At
corner.
the corner.
On the corner.
At the corner.
Yeah,
At the corner.
At the
sorry,
corner.
there should be an R here. I think the image is cutting it, but there should be an R here. Corner. There should be an R here.
Corner.
Yes. Let me see if I can fix it. There it is. Okay, so yes, on the corner or at the corner.
On the corner.
On the corner. At the corner.
On the
On the corner.
At the
At the
corner.
corner.
At the corner.
Uh-huh. It is more common to say on the corner, but it's very important that you mention the name of this street and this street. We'll see that later, okay? But here is on the corner or at the corner. The next one is take the first right.
Take the first right.
Take the first right.
Right.
Uh-huh. Now, here it says the one here, but what if it was here? Take the second
Second
right. Uh-huh. Take the first right or take the second right.
Second right.
Uh-huh. Next is at the roundabout, take the first exit.
At the
At the
roundabout.
roundabout. At the
Roundabout.
roundabout, take the first exit.
Uh-huh.
At
This
the roundabout, take the first exit.
Yes, and the number can change. The number can say at the roundabout, take the second exit, or it can take the first exit, okay? Then we have some prepositions also. In front of,
In front of. In front of.
behind,
Behind.
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 near,
Near.
next to,
Next
Next
to.
to.
between,
Between.
opposite,
Opposite.
Opposite.
okay? Opposite,
Opposite.
okay? Again, in front of,
In front of.
behind,
Behind.
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 near,
Near.
Near.
next to,
Next to. Next to.
Next to.
between,
Between.
opposite.
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 Good. Good
Opposite.
job, everyone. Good job. Questions on this? Questions about keywords? No questions?
Nobody.
Okay.
No.
Okay, so let's move on. Uh, did you have a chance to write down the words? Do you have a place, a notebook where you should write down, where you can write down?
Yeah.
Okay. Then what is an imperative? Okay, it can be considered a command or an order. For example, when you were younger, when you were a child, your parents gave you commands, gave you orders. What happened if you did not follow the orders? Maybe there were some punishment, right? Okay, so an imperative can be a command or an order, but also a rule or a guide. And today we're going to be using an imperative as a guide, as a rule, okay? And it usually starts with a verb and it's followed by a phrase. Look at the next examples. Take the 101D bus. Draw a line in your notebook. Use a pencil to answer the test. Okay? And for these type of phrases, you don't need a subject pronoun. So here, what we only use is a verb and a phrase. And usually the imperative is the base form of the verb, okay? It doesn't matter if it's, well, in this case, because when you give directions, you're giving to a person directly. So you don't need a subject pronoun. Okay, questions?
Okay.
What you see
Not from my
here,
end.
okay, thank you. What you see here in red is the verb, and the line here, what is underlined is the phrase. Okay, a verb and a phrase. A verb and a phrase. Okay. If there are no questions, then let's practice. Imagine that you're here at the X, okay? And we have George Street, Park Street, North Road, South Road, and Oak Road. Look at the map, analyze it, and then we can give directions. There's a market, there's a library, there's a hotel called the Oasis, there's a gift shop. Okay, now imagine that you are here. How would you keep direction, or can you give us the location of the Oasis Hotel? Who can give us the location of the Oasis Hotel? Yes, go ahead. Somebody rose their hand. It says there, Familia Lazo Funes.
Yeah, I'm Brandon. Sorry.
Okay, Brandon.
Go train George Street.
Huh?
Um,
And it's on the right
oh yeah.
because you're walking here and it's on the right. Okay, okay, thank you. What about the gift shop? Where is the gift shop? There we have Navas. I only see that Navas there.
I think go straight George Street
Uh-huh.
and turn right, third, sorry, take the third right.
Okay. What is the name of the road?
Third right.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Maria, go straight George Street and take the first right and South Road.
Okay, okay, very good, very good. Can somebody else give us another direction? Where is the market? Luis,
Which one? The market?
the market, yes.
Oh, if we're in the X, so it's on the left side.
Okay, that's good, that's good. Now, what if I am on the gift shop and I want to go to the library? I am at the gift shop and I want to go to the library.
Mm, it should be like go straight and take the first street to the left, walk like 2 blocks, and it's on the right side.
Okay, okay. What if I am in the a marketplace and I want to go to the library. Where is the mark? If I'm in the market and I want to go to the library. Anybody?
Can we say like go straight in the George Street and in the second block to the left?
On the left, yes. Okay. Okay, Yvette says cross from market. Okay. Mm, if I'm going to cross, then I have to provide the name of the street. So cross Park Street. Or I can say across. It's across the market. Okay. Questions on this?
Teacher, how can we say like the Cruz Calle? Is there a name for it?
Intersection.
Okay.
This would be an intersection.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. If you're here, then this would be the end of the road. At the end of Oak Road, because this is where it ends. There's no more there. So that's where it ends. That's where it stops. And this would be an intersection.
Oh.
Okay. Any other question?
We already mentioned the name of the street for direction.
Can you repeat that again, please?
We always name the mention names of the street.
If you want to be more specific, yes. If you want to be
Oh,
specific, yes. Give the name of the street. Correct. Okay, let's try asking for directions and giving directions. To ask for directions, you can say, you can use these questions. Excuse me, where is the bank, please? Can you repeat also?
Excuse me,
Excuse me,
where is the
where is
bank,
the bank,
please?
Please.
please?
Okay. The next one is, excuse me, is there a bank near here?
Excuse
Excuse
me.
me,
Is there a
is there
bank
a
bank
bank
near
near
Excuse
here?
me, is there a bank near here?
Then, excuse me, can you tell me where the bank is, please?
Excuse me.
Excuse
Excuse
me,
me,
can you
can
tell
you
me
tell me
where
where
the
the bank
bank
is,
is,
please?
please?
Okay. Excuse me, how do I get to the bank, please?
Excuse
Excuse
me,
me, how
How
do
do
I
I
get
get
to
to
the
the
bank,
bank,
please?
please?
Okay, very good. Now, I'm going to give you about a minute, and you don't have to turn on the mic, but I'm going to give you about 1 minute to practice asking the questions, okay? You don't have to turn on the mic. Just go ahead and practice it. Ask the 4 questions, okay? Practice them. I'm going to give you about 1 minute.
Excuse me, where is the bank, please? Excuse me, is there a bank near here? Excuse me, can you tell me where the bank is, please? Excuse me, how do I get to the bank, please?
Okay. Now, when This is when asking for directions. When you're giving directions, okay, it's the response that you give to the question. For example, in the second question, it says, excuse me, is there a bank near here? Then you can reply, yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Okay. That is just a yes, no question in which you can say, is there one or not? If there isn't, then you say, no, there isn't. Okay, when you give directions, you can say phrases like this. Go straight on, okay? Everyone repeat. Go straight on,
Go
Go
straight
straight
on.
on.
okay? For example, go straight on George Street.
George Street.
Go
Go
straight on
straight
George
on
Straight
Street.
George
on your
Street.
street.
Yes. Go straight on Park Street.
Go
Go
straight
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 on
on
Park
Park
Straight on
Street.
Park
on
Street.
street.
Go straight on Oak Road.
Go
Go
straight
straight on
Straight on
Oak
Oak
Road.
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 Yes. So you can say go straight on and you have to give the name of the street. Okay. Turn left, turn right on,
Left. Right on.
Turn left,
Turn left,
right
Turn
on.
left,
right on.
right on.
and you also provide the name. Turn left on Park Street.
Turn left,
Turn left in the
Park
Park
Street.
Street.
Turn right on North Road.
Turn right
Turn
on
right.
North
turn
Road.
right
No,
on North Road.
Yes. So once again, you have to provide the name of the street. Go past,
go past.
Pass.
Go past.
Go
Go
fast.
past.
uh-huh. In this case, you can say go past the library,
Go past the
Go
library.
past.
Go past the library.
go past the hotel,
Go
past
past
Past the
the
hotel.
hotel.
okay? Go past North Road,
Go
Go
past
past
North
North
Road.
Road.
yes. So in this case, you can provide either the location of the place or you can provide the name of the street. The next one is, it's on your left.
It's on your left.
It's on your
It's
right.
on
On
your
the
left.
left.
It's
It's
on
on
your
your left.
right.
It's
It's
on
on
your
the
right.
right.
The library, it's on your right, on your left.
Your left.
The
The
library
library
is
is on
on
your left.
your
On
right.
the left.
The Oasis Hotel is on your right.
The Oasis Hotel is
The
on your right.
Oasis Hotel is on your right.
Yes. On the
The
left,
Oasis Hotel is
on the
to
right.
the right.
Okay. Then you can say, you can also say, go along this main street.
Go along
Go
this
along
main
this main
street.
street.
Uh-huh. Or if you have a map, you can say, go along Park Street.
Go along
Go
Park
along
Street.
Park
this
Street.
main street.
You only have to change the name of the street, okay?
Okay.
Okay, then it's next to,
It's next
It's
to.
next to.
It's next to.
okay? It's on the corner of, and
It's on a
It's on the
corner.
On the corner of
And
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 for example, let's say that the gift shop is here on the corner. So I can say the gift shop is on the corner of Oak Road and South Road.
so far. So
Okay. It's on
okay.
the corner of Oak Road and South Road. Or the other way around. It's on the corner of South Road and Oak Road. But I have to mention the two streets.
Okay.
Okay. It's across from.
it's
It's
across
across
from.
from.
Yes. It's across from.
It's across
It's
from.
across from.
It's a from.
Imagine that you're walking, you can say walk 2 or 3 blocks.
Walk
Walk
2
2, 3
or
blocks.
3 blocks.
Okay, so for example, this could be 1 block. This could be another block. This is another block and another block. So you can say walk 3 blocks and turn left, turn right.
Right.
Left.
Walk 3 blocks and turn right.
Left.
Okay, once again, walk 3 blocks
Walk
and
3
turn
blocks and turn
right.
to the
Walk
Walk 3
Left.
blocks and turn right.
Yes.
And in that case, teacher, is it necessary to mention the name of the street? Like walk 3 blocks and turn right on South Road.
You can say walk 3 blocks on this street if you're there. Or you can say walk 3 blocks, okay, and turn right. Now the person who's going to do it, he's going to have to count the blocks. But it will be
Okay.
up to you if you want to be specific or if you just want to be very general.
But it's not like a must, right? It's
No,
up to the
it's
person.
not. Yes, it's optional. It's optional.
Okay.
But imagine that if it's a tourist and he doesn't know the names of the street, then in that case, if you want to be more helpful, you can provide the name of the streets.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay. Any other question? No? Okay. Questions on the asking for directions and giving directions? No? Okay. Now let's do this practice. I will ask you a question and you have to give me the direction on how to get there. This is where I am. It says here, you are here. Okay, take a look at the map, identify the places. What do we have here? Can you mention the things that you see there? The places?
I see a school,
Station.
Hospital.
Park,
Museum.
sports
Supermarket,
club,
What kind of a
Park.
station?
Train station.
train
Yes.
station.
We have to be a bit specific because we can have a bus station, a train station, a gas station. Okay, what else? What else do you see there?
A hospital,
A theater.
Uh-huh.
theater,
A park.
sports club,
Uh-huh.
and museum.
Okay, museum. Okay, now I'm going to ask you a question and I want somebody to give me the directions for that place. I will say something like, excuse me, where is the hospital? Raise your hand if you would like to participate. If you see me drinking water, I apologize for that, but I'm a little bit sick today. So I'm drinking water so I can stay hydrated. So if you see me drinking, it's water, okay? It's just that I'm a little bit sick today. Okay, Navas.
Could you go straight on the street, whatever? and turn right next to museum.
Okay. So you say go straight in this road and then turn right
Ah, yeah.
and turn
No.
right.
Mhm, mhm.
Okay, okay, try it again. Think about it, and then we can try it again.
Okay.
Okay.
You want to get to the hospital, right?
Yes, I am right here, and I want to
Okay.
get to the hospital.
It should be like a go straight, cross the intersection, and in the second block, continue walking forward, and it's in the right side.
Okay, okay. Um, can I also say, can I also include the museum in the instructions? Is it next to, behind, across from? Where do you think?
It could be behind the
Behind.
museum,
Okay, yes, because this is the front and the back would have to be behind, right?
and it could be like in front of the train station.
That could be an option, yes, in front of the station. Okay.
We could
And if somebody
be
would like to try it,
go straight and go past museum, maybe.
say it again.
Uh, go straight and go past the museum.
Well, if you say past the museum, maybe you're walking here.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
okay.
Maybe you're walking here and you're on this street, remember?
Mhm.
Okay, anybody else would like to try it? Okay, let me give you another direction. Excuse me, is there a supermarket near here? Think about how you're going to give the directions, okay? Think about it. And when you're ready, raise your hand so we can you can give us your answer. Okay, Avenue. I don't think we can hear you, Evelyn, if you're speaking.
Excuse me.
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem.
Yes, it is a supermarket. Turn to the right and
Uh-huh.
the supermarket is on your right.
Okay, okay, that's good. That is good. So if you say turn right, and then
Turn left
turn left, okay.
and the supermarket is on your right.
Oh, okay, okay, that's very good. That's very good. We can also include other phrases to make it a little bit more specific, but you did good. You did good. Someone else would like to try it? Okay, we have two hands. We have a Fabi and Lewis. I think Fabi had the hand up. It says here, Fabi. So, did you want to participate? Okay, let's try somebody else. I think Lewis had his hand up.
Yes, so it could be like go straight and turn right in the first street, then turn left and walk a little bit, and the supermarket it's on the right side.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Very good. Very good. So you can say walk up or go straight on and then turn right. Okay. You can also mention go to the end of the road or go to the other side of the road. That would be
Okay,
another option.
okay,
But you
thank you.
did well. You did well. Okay, I have another question. Excuse me. How do I get to the school? How do I get to the school? Think about your answer. And whoever is ready, you can raise your hand and participate. Anybody? Oh, okay, Mari. We can't hear you.
Sorry.
It's
Okay.
okay.
Go straight, then turn left. At the runabout, take the first exit, sorry, and then turn left.
Very good.
It is, yes, yes, yes. Sorry.
Oh, continue, continue.
No, it's done. That's all.
Okay, very good. That's very good. Okay. And we have another participant who rose their hand. Fabi, are you ready? Huh? Okay. But I think Lewis also had his hand up. Is that correct, Lewis?
I can give a try. So it could be walk on and turn left in the first street, and at the roundabout, take the first street, the first exit, and the school is on the left side.
That is good. That is good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. All right. Do you have any questions on this? I'm not going to use all the places because we're going to use some of those places for tomorrow's session. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
as you use the word at the end of the road, can we use also the word at the beginning of the road? For instance, to say the school, so take the first exit and it's in the beginning of the road, in the left side. Can we use that word for that phrase?
I think it's better or more common to say, walk a few steps. Walk some steps or a few steps, and it's on the right.
Okay,
Because
thank you.
it's more common to say at the end of the road, and it's not so common. It's more common to say at the end of the road, but not so common at the beginning of the road.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. No problem. Navas, you had your hand up.
Yes. I have a question.
Yes.
We use cross from only for places, or we can, o sea, podemos decir across from intersection, for example.
Well, the intersection, remember that an intersection is is the cross, this
Mhm.
road and this road. But if you say across from, it's the location of, for example, this place and this place. These two
Okay.
are across. But
Mhm.
a road because they cross like that, then it's basically an intersection. So
Mhm.
normally we don't say across from the street. Normally we say you have to cross the street. Tiene que cruzar la calle. No está
Mhm.
enfrente.
Mhm. Okay.
If you say cross the street, it means that you're going to be here and you're going to move from here to here. Okay, that's the action that you do. Digamos, cuando yo digo voy a cruzarme la calle, yo voy a usar cross. Entonces, en sí, las calles, cuando se cruzan así, no es que la calle se levante y cruce, sino que las calles cruzan. And so in English we say intersection. Ya si estamos
But
hablando de lugares, los lugares está uno enfrente del otro.
yes, but I have a mistake. It's across from roundabout.
Okay, if it's a, normally the roundabout doesn't usually have a cross from. You usually take the roundabout. That's what the action verb you use. You take the roundabout. Let me type it here. Take the roundabout. Okay, take the roundabout.
No.
Because what you do is you have to take it. You don't have to cross it. You take it.
Okay.
And is it common to say like cross the intersection?
You can say cross the intersection of the name of the street and the other street.
Okay,
To be more
okay.
specific. Yes. Any other question? No? Okay. All right. Because of the time, we're not going to have, we're not going to be able to do these exercises, but I want you to do them on your own. If you finish them, that's okay. If you have questions about it tomorrow, in tomorrow's session, you can ask the questions about the exercises, okay? We were going to do these exercises in class, but I see that we're almost out of time. So you can do exercise 1.3 1.1, 1.3.2, 1.3.3, and then we can discuss them. Let me show you which ones I am talking about. Tell me if you see the exercise.
Yes, we see it.
Yes, okay. So here you can start by watching this video. Okay. To get more practice for giving directions. When you remember, you have to click on complete and continue. It's important that you click on this button. Very important. If not, the platform will understand that you did not finish this and you did not watch it. And the problem is that if you don't do it at the end of the course, it's going to say that you're missing this video. So it's important that you click on this complete and continue. Okay. When you do that, it's going to move you to the following exercises, the vocabulary, and we were going to work on this. To put the conversation in order, once you finish, you click on submit. Then it's going to move you to the next one, where it's going to ask you locations of this place here, and you have to match it. Okay, drag the answer to the location here. When you're finished, you click on submit. Okay, you do that for the other exercises. The last three are for listening. So it's very important that you listen to the exercise and you match the answers. This next one is to order the exercise, the conversation, and the next one is to choose the correct missing information. Okay?
Okay.
Any questions? No questions, okay? So, as I said, we didn't have enough time for this, but I would like for you to do these exercises, complete the rest of the exercises from the unit. And if you have not finished the exercises from the previous part, finish them. It's very important that you finish them. And if you have already finished, maybe you can go back and read it. Read it so you can read it aloud. Okay, read it aloud so you can practice um, uh, some speaking. Okay, practice it. Then I want you to study this map and be ready to give directions in our next session. Remember, I told you that the next session is going to be speaking. So you should be prepared to give directions. So I want you to study the map. Okay, study the map. Study where the places are. A park, the church, a coffee shop, a restaurant, a store, a museum. The name of the streets also: Main Street, Second Avenue, First Avenue. Okay, study it. And if you can write down questions about the locations, go ahead and ask them. And also give yourself an answer. That's going to help you practice. Okay? I'm going to share this presentation on the WhatsApp group once I finish the other class that I have next, because I have another group from 9 to 10. So maybe I'm not giving you a guarantee, but maybe I can have it after 10 tonight. If not, then you will have it early in the morning tomorrow. Questions? Clarissa says, will we continue with this topic next class? Yes, it will be a continuation of the topic because we're going to do more conversation and speaking to practice a bit more, okay? All right, if there are no questions, then have a great night and I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, coach.
See you
Bye-bye.
tomorrow,
Thank you,
teacher.
teacher. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye. Good
Bye.
See you
night.
Very
tomorrow.
nice. See you tomorrow.
evening.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good night, everyone.